Situated on Manhattan Avenue in North Hermosa Beach, this home defies all odds of what you expect in Hermosa Beach. This is one of the largest homes ever built on one of the largest lots probably ever going to be available in the sand section of Hermosa Beach ever again. And you can rent it today. So why does this house defy all odds in Hermosa Beach? Because of this. The expansiveness of this home, over 9,000 square feet of living space and deck space to entertain in, and it's situated on over 2 lots. You can't combine lots anymore in California. They've outlawed it. So this will never be done again. So the opportunity to live in a home like this can never be created again. So come on in. This is 6 bedrooms on 3 levels, home theater, swimming pool. It is just blocks to the beach. You just don't get this kind of square footage and land size this close to the water. This is one of the few places in all of the beach cities that exists like this. And this is the main living space, living room, dining area, open to the kitchen and the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Come on into the kitchen. And what's one thing you never expect in the sand section? Your own swimming pool overlooking the Pacific Ocean and the iconic Hermosa Beach Pier. Some would call this the primary suite. I call it the Maximus suite. Now talk about an at-home spa. Did you ever see a double shower? You may not have seen this. Indoors, outdoors. This downstairs office is perfect to set up as a main level bedroom if you need, as it has its own bathroom, but great for a den or an office. And the main floor den. And one of a half a dozen decks. And this one has its very own pizza oven. Bedroom 4. Number 5. And last but certainly not least, number 6. A 3-stop elevator. And Hermosa Beach's very own state-of-the-art theater. Need to get your Arnold Schwarzenegger on? This is where you do it. Ready for a beer? Here you go. Whew. And how about a wellness spa right here in your own home? And I lost count of how many decks this is, but this one has the iconic view of the Hermosa Beach Pier, Palos Verdes, Catalina Island, and not to mention the drought-resistant plastic palms.